Em be hespan dertên zozanan. Be hespan means with horses, and this an suffix is our plurality suffix for the subject. Derhatın, be, we can say. It is used for saying go on top of something. For example, when you say em dertên zozanan, it means we are coming on plateaus. Or when you say em dertên, for example, çêre, we are coming on the mountains. Here em dertên means we are coming on top of it. Heywan, çêre, diçêre, the animal is grazing grass. Çêre means grass, or it means herb. In some regions, the gia is also commonly used for this word. Çêrin means grazing. The verb itself is çêrin, biçêre. Heywan, çêre, diçêre, the animal is grazing grass.